everyone, good day to all of you, and today we're going to create a tutorial in our Shopee account how to top up your Shopee Pay using GCash. And it's about adding an amount in your Shopee account or your Shopee Pay, and you can use it in your payment. So let's get it. Okay guys, so let's start the tutorial on your Shopee Pay account. So I'm going to tap the Shopee application, and this is my mobile phone, an Android phone. So this is my Shopee account. So after your Shopee account loaded, after your Shopee app loaded, tap the me icon at the bottom right icon, and then scroll down, select Shopee Pay, and in the Shopee Pay you'll see that my balance is only 49 pesos, and I have to top up or add some account on it. So I'm going to top up and then input an amount. For example, I'm going to input 50 pesos only. I'm going to add up 50 pesos on my Shopee Pay account, and then I'm going to tap the button Pay Now. Just tap the button Pay Now, and then the page or the page of email verification is loaded, and you see that the total payment is 50, and I just tap Pay, and then it will go to my GCash account page. So there you go. You'll receive a code on your mobile number, and you have to input it on the page so that it will load, or just tap next button. And now you're going to input also your MPIN of your GCash account so that it will be logged in to your GCash. There you go. The GCash account is loaded now, and I have to pay 50 pesos. You'll receive a notification or a message that GCash has paid on your Shopee Pay account, and the Shopee app will give you also a notification that top up is successful, and it's very good news. So you can view your Shopee Pay account. There you go. It added 50 pesos on my Shopee Pay balance, and it is now 99 pesos. Just simple as that. You can do it as easy, as simple, and enjoyable. So you can do it now. Thank you for viewing or watching my tutorial. I hope you enjoy and like and learn. So you can do it now, and it's very easy and simple. Thank you.